Hi everyone, this is Tracy Freeman and welcome to my capstone project presentation on strategies to ease mathematic anxiety among elementary students. So the problem is that children are experiencing stress as young as first grade. And school-related pressures are a major source of stress for children, which has led many researchers as well as myself to look at math anxiety as it has become a huge commonality among students. So aside from the physical effects of mathematic anxiety, which include an increased heart rate or just an overall shutdown when numbers are in front of you, it causes people to experience a mental block. Not only that, once one experiences math anxiety, it's difficult to remove those negative feelings and forego a positive attitude towards math. This can lead to an overall avoidance of math for years to come. When students go into middle school, high school, or college, they might avoid taking math classes, which is going to cause them to avoid number-based careers or struggle later in life with something like a large purchase. So there is a huge need for more research. There is plentiful research right now on the causes and effects of math anxiety, but that research is lacking any strategies that educators can use during instruction to ease that anxiety in their students. I chose to approach my research with a mixed methods design, so I chose to take quantitative data and qualitative data, merge the results in comparison, and analyze that. So the first thing I did was I provided an online survey for 10 teachers, and I just kind of wanted to get a general understanding of whether teachers are even aware of math anxiety, maybe how many students they notice that are suffering from that mental block, the shutdown, the avoidance and dislike of math. So here's a graph that I made, or I didn't make, the online software did. But so you can see that 50% of the participants said that 3 to 8 students is how many they notice suffering from math anxiety. 40% said 1 to 3 students, and 10% said that they have not noticed. Here is another question that I thought was important to share. This was, I am aware of various instructional strategies that help ease mathematic anxiety. So I was impressed because 40% said that they strongly agree that they do know instructional strategies. 30% said that they agree, and 10% was neutral, and 20 was that they did not know any instructional strategies. And then this question, I kind of wanted to know why maybe teachers aren't designing instruction with mathematic anxiety in mind. And it turns out that 50% said that they do design instruction with math anxiety in mind. 40% that said that they do not know of any strategies, and 10% said that they have not noticed any students suffering from math anxiety. So basically, I took this and I was considering how many of the teachers that I surveyed said that they do design instruction. I felt that gathering qualitative data through an interview would be beneficial to just understand or let them explain kind of what strategies they do use. I thought would be very beneficial to my research. So I interviewed 5 of the teachers from the survey. I wanted to interview 3 teachers with 15 plus years of experience and 2 teachers with less than 5 years of experience to just kind of compare those results. Basically, I found that the experienced teachers stated that they noticed similar behaviors in their students who have math anxiety. They are not confident, they shut down, they don't want to do it, they kind of just stop when math instruction starts. But they did agree that they did not have any instructional strategies. So I thought that was interesting because in the survey, they did say that they knew of instructional strategies. So And then the teachers with less experience, the two teachers that I interviewed, they stated that they had not known about math anxiety before the interview, and so obviously they didn't design any instruction with it in mind. So basically what I have come to conclude through my research and through my review of literature, there's a lot of research on physical activity integration and its benefits, how it improves cognition and it improves academic achievement, but it's also a natural way to ease the effects of stress and anxiety and boost confidence. One thing that the teachers said that they would like to see with their students with math anxiety is just an overall confidence booster. So I think it would be most beneficial as educators if we can design physically active mathematic lessons. We can help ease that anxiety among our students and help them build confidence in their mathematical abilities. So in my write-up, I kind of talk about what a physically active lesson might look like. So in this picture, you can see kids like squatting down. Maybe they're going to bend halfway down, or they're going to spin 3/4 of the way around, or something like that. Just something to get them moving to kind of ease that stress, because so many kids feel that because there's one right answer with math, it just kind of freaks them out and it causes all that anxiety. So thank you guys for listening. If you have any questions, you can email me, or obviously I'll be checking out the comments and see what you guys say, and I can't wait to watch all your presentations.